was that? It looked like you just kind of never got going.
Very frustrating. We've been here for 8 days, and it's obviously the boys had more of a holiday than prepare for rugby. Yeah, look, we've tried to change things up coming here. We know last time we came here was a similar result, so whatever we're doing is not working. But yeah, it's just disappointing. I think that the effort that we put in isn't up to where we wanted it to be as a club and as a team, and it's obviously something we'll look at through the bye week and then heading back for a pretty tough last bit of our campaign.
What was the message to the boys at half time?
The same message before the game, really. We just got beaten up as a forward pack, didn't get any go forward in the back line, so when you're doing that, we knew the force were going to come really hard at the breakdown. They did. They had legs everywhere, but when you're losing collisions, you're not going to get the pitches that you probably want as a club, as a team, and as our nines we're under a lot of pressure. So it's it was fair play to the force. We knew exactly what they were going to do, and we just handed it to them.
Tevita, how tough was it out there, particularly in that heat when the force getting front football and able to kind of spread the game?
I think as coach said, we couldn't get the ball going. We couldn't start, and we were just beaten by the force. They started well, and we just never came back.
Obviously, second half there was a bit of a fight there from you guys. Were you playing for pride a bit in that second half? It looked like you kind of disrupted their rhythm a lot more.
Yeah, we came out to try get everything going again, try get the win, but fortunately they came back after we scored, and that was the story of the game.
Glen, what do you think the biggest focus is going to be going into next week?
We're having a bye, so we'll make sure the boys are looked after. We're just going to have to change the way we do things at training. Like I said, preparing like we thought we would, which was good, wasn't good enough. So we've got the Crusaders when we come back. Got a good run of home games. So it's just we'll make sure we'll get back on the plane tonight and then refocus for the Crusaders.
You mentioned obviously you did come to Perth quite early. Were there any signs of kind of what was to come during the week, or are you pretty happy with how the guys prepared?
Look, I thought we did everything right. We really had to probably from Canberra to come here. We won't do that again. It's just it hasn't worked. So it's a long trip to come to Perth, and this is why they're very good at home. Probably similar to our home advantage, and unfortunately our young men haven't got the ability. It seems like to be able to be away from home and prepare well for rugby, and so that's something we'll have to look at and make sure we address coming forward.